Hi everybody, welcome back to Type R Tweaks. I'm Michael. Today's job on the car is to replace the radiator, which is a relatively big job for me on the FN2. So let's have a look at what I've got. So I went with the Tegiwa Radiator and also some replacement upper and lower hoses. Been meaning to put red hoses on it for a while, so this is the start of it, and hopefully be looking to put more on in the future. But this is what we've got to do today, so let's get after it. So I'm just going to remove the slam panel from here. There's just a series of bolts or clips. I've got a few missing, need to replace them. Take them off and then this slam panel will come off. So just going to remove the front grille. Got a clip here, bolt here. The same on the other side, bolt, clip. But there's also inside here, I've got another clip, and I've got one down there as well. Take them off, and then this whole front panel should come off. So that's the front grille off. I think, based on what the fans at the back here and the radiator, I think I'm going to have to take this off. Which looks like it's just held on with a couple of bolts. Obviously there's some brackets that are joined to this, need to take them off. And hopefully get a little bit more freedom to get this out. Not just the two bolts, we've actually got one bolt here and another one there, just to get this part off. So we're under the car now. I'm going to take off this under tray. So there's a couple of bolts along here, and if like me, you've got a couple of these quick release cables, take them off, and then we've got a couple of bolts on the other side, and that should hopefully get the under tray off. Now we've got the under tray down, you can see here, that's the coolant drain, so just turn that and then we'll collect the coolant that's going to come out of here into a tub. So that's the coolant all drained out. I don't know about you, but when you start doing work to the car, you start to find other things that are needing done, like cleaning up some rust spots, replacing clips, replacing bolts. I've actually noticed that I've got a small bit of oil sitting on the under tray, so I need to do a bit of investigation on that and see what's happening. But I think that's the beauty of owning a 12-year-old car. So in theory, this all should just lift out. Just have to watch in case, make sure we don't snag anything else. And then hopefully we can get access to get the hoses out and get them replaced. So here goes. So I've unclipped all the cables. You see various cables here, they're all clipped in. I've also took the expansion bottle off to hopefully be able to just lift this off. I'm trying to avoid taking the bumper off as much as I can. So we'll see how this goes. So that's the radiator out. Need to do a bit of cleaning down here before I put the new one in. So both the bottom hose and top hose are off. So we'll get the new ones fitted and get the new radiator on. So I just need to take the old fan surround and stuff off the old one and get onto the new one. It's worth getting a little helper to do a little bit of cleaning for you before you put the fans back on. So that's the fans all cleaned up and on the new radiator. So let's just get it on the car. So that's the upper and lower hoses all fitted, clamped in, ready for the radiator. So after a bit of fighting, a bit of wiggling, we got it in. Just connected up the top hose there. So we need to connect up to the bottom and put all the clips and connectors back in, and then start to fill it up. So one thing you need to remember is you need to take out the sensor out of your old radiator just to put into the new one. And this is where the old sensor comes out of the old radiator. So that's it all in, fitted, all connected up, all the hoses and that connected, and we've filled it up with coolant, both in the radiator, filled it up, and down in the expansion tank. She's been running for about 20 minutes or so, with the blowers on, temperature up inside the car, just to make sure everything kicks in. Temperature gauge is actually sat exactly where it's been before, so no issues there, no leaks, which is good. But if anyone's got any comments on the process I did, or any questions, just feel free to comment in the video. So another video done, another modification done. Quite enjoyed that one, although getting into the guts of the car, really found out a few more things that I want to do to it to bring it up to where I want it to be. But that's all good, more content for the channel, more things for me to show you guys. So if you like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so you can see any upcoming videos. I want to just actually thank everybody who's subscribed so far to the channel, really appreciated it. We've really smashed through that 100 barrier. So next milestone, 150, let's see if we can get there. So until then, see you all in the next video.